I love painting when I'm bored and can't find anything to do. I paint. If you try it, you love it too. I'm sure you can make it however you want it. You want is up to your imagination. I don't know if you anyone loves it more than me, but me. But if there are they love it than me, I want to be a painter when I grow up, and I'm going to think as growing badly. Even if you grow badly, I grow and anime characters. You can be whatever you want, be engineer or a builder. But even in those, you you can grow.